Hi, so my name's Adam and I own a business called Blackpool Boiler Installations. We install, service and repair high quality boilers in the Northwest. One of the problems that we found property owners have when looking for a new boiler is they struggle to get a fixed online quotation without any faff. That's why we've developed an online quote tool specifically for you to get your fixed price quotation by answering a few questions to make sure that you're going to get the right boiler for your property needs. So if you're happy with your quote, you can book straight online, choose a date and time that suits you and suits your lifestyle. We're really proud of keeping you in the loop every step of the way. So on the morning of your installation, you will receive an email and a text message confirmation of the time of your booking. So we understand that sometimes it can be intimidating getting a tradesperson in your property. That's why our engineers make you feel as comfortable as possible while they're there and answer any questions you may have about the installation on that day. We want to make sure your boiler lasts as long as it possibly can. So our engineers are highly trained, highly skilled and are members of the Which Trusted Trader. We have over 150 5-star online reviews for your peace of mind. So once the installation is complete, our engineers will show you exactly how to use that boiler and maximise energy savings. We'll also show you how to use the controls and answer any questions that you may have. Our office will do all the paperwork for you, so we'll register the warranty with the manufacturer and register it with gas safe and building control, leaving you with no paperwork to do. So going forward, after your boiler installation, it is vitally important that you get your boiler serviced and looked after. So by having a service plan with us, we make sure that your warranty is adhered to and more importantly, your boiler is serviced every year and you have peace of mind that it is safe and working efficiently. So the most important thing for us at Blackpool Boiler Installations is that we offer a quality, reliable and trustworthy service for all of our customers.